Hi everyone, this is video number 9 in our 11-step process on how we use to get new customers for businesses using Facebook ads. Use this to get and grow your business starting next week. Video 9. What is video 9 about? Okay, using call recording for quality control. This next big lesson is shocking, but it is the truth. So pay close attention. The number one killer of Facebook ads when it comes to businesses is the person answering or handling the phone. Because if you remember all my training with you, I already told you that conversation creates conversion. So this is the part that most businesses miss out or didn't do it correctly. I'm sure you think that your business is different and that your staff would never sabotage something that's designed to grow your business. In all my years of running these campaigns for businesses, however, I've seen hundreds of receptionists and front desk staff ruin these campaigns because they handled them incorrectly when they answered the phone. But the good news is that they aren't doing it on purpose. The reason that these campaigns got ruined and you waste a ton of money and time is because of few core reasons. Why receptionists ruin this or so often at first, okay, is because they haven't been trained properly to respond to the campaign. Next, they haven't been let in on how important the campaign is. Thirdly, they've got a million other things that they were doing before you started running this campaign. And those things still take priority even if you think they shouldn't. Lastly, they don't believe in when you're doing in a way that you're giving away something free or at discounted rate to create a lifetime customer value. In short, they don't see the value, okay? They think this looks like one of the deals or Groupon campaigns that have failed so many other businesses. Often it manifests itself like this. You run a campaign like the one I've been showing you for the past few days, around a month. The receptionist answers the phone calls and then proceed to tell you that all the leads that are coming in are just freebie seekers. I think it sounds familiar because I've been doing this for many years, all right? And this most time this is the response I get, or this is the feedback I get. Okay. Now, I've seen hundreds of times, and that's why we started recording calls. Once we started recording the calls, we found out that in 99% of the cases, the person answering the phone was blowing it and crippling the campaign at the most critical point. The critical point is when they call in to schedule the first time. Because of that, we now record every phone call that comes through a campaign by a special tracking number, which you saw in the past two videos. Right, the past video training on the SMS and on the email. Okay, is the one that goes out into the email via messenger or via text message. Okay, this is how the reportings look like. We create a temporary recording to make sure we handle everything correctly. Every time a new lead comes in, we now have the call play a short message as the receptionist pick up that alert. Sorry, let me repeat. Every time a new lead comes in, we now have the call play a short message as the receptionist picks up the alerts and tell them it's a lead from our campaign. This is called whisper message. We have record the calls to make sure that they are top notch, and we have done a good job training our people to convert the lead. Okay, so This is the missing component. Most of the time, campaigns are successful, okay, but when it comes to getting the people through the door to confirm the reservation or the booking, that's when it fails. Okay, now in video this at the end of video training 9, tomorrow we're going to discuss about video training 10. Okay, your audience has showed interest, but most businesses wait for the prospect to call. Expecting the lead to call you is a major mistake that most businesses do not do not realize. Okay, it's costing the business money, and even though it's costing a business money, most of the time is the part where they do not take things seriously. This we will look into the next training in video 10. So, okay, if you have any question, all right, type QQQ. Okay, even though you don't do a Facebook ads campaign, you do an organic reach campaign. Okay, at the end of it, you get people to connect with you. Once they connect with you, all right, the phone call in handling them to walk through the door is the one that most businesses miss out. Okay, so this is one that you need to sit down, okay, and plan so that you actually do not waste your money if you're running a Facebook ads campaign, or you not waste your leads if you're running an organic campaign. Okay, so till I'll see you next video 10. All right, see you. Bye bye.